Have you ever wanted to speak English confidently, but the words just don't come out? You understand English, you watch English videos, but when it's time to speak, your mind suddenly goes blank. Don't worry, you are not alone. Millions of beginners around the world feel the same way. But the good news is this: speaking English can be simple, easy, and even fun when you start with basic conversations. But before we begin, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English learning video. Introduction. Many people believe learning English is difficult. They think they must memorize thousands of words, study complicated grammar, and speak perfectly. But that is not true. The real secret to speaking English is much simpler. Start with small conversations. Short sentences, simple words, natural communication. Just like a child learning to speak. Children don't start with grammar books, they start with simple words. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Very simple. Now, let's practice a small conversation. Person A, hello. Person B, hi, how are you? Person A, I'm good, thank you. How about you? Person B, I'm doing well. That's it. 4 simple sentences. But congratulations, you just had a real English conversation. Conversation 2. Introducing yourself. Now, imagine you meet someone new, maybe at school, maybe at work, maybe while traveling. The first thing you do is introduce yourself. You can say, "Hi, my name is Alex." "Hello, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you." Then the other person replies, "Nice to meet you too." Sometimes they ask another question. "Where are you from?" And you answer, "I'm from Bangladesh. I'm from India. I'm from Canada." Simple question, simple answer. But this is how real conversations begin. Conversation 3. Talking about your day. Another common English conversation is talking about your day. Someone may ask you, "How was your day?" You can answer in many easy ways. "My day was good. My day was busy. Today was great. It was a little tiring." Short sentences, natural answers, real communication. And remember something important. Your English does not need to be perfect. Communication is more important than perfection. Confidence is the key. Many beginners make the same mistake. They wait. They wait until their grammar is perfect. They wait until they know thousands of words. But the truth is, you learn English by speaking it, not by waiting. At first, your sentences might be slow, maybe a little broken, maybe not perfect. That is completely okay. Every fluent English speaker started exactly where you are now, with 1 word, then 2 words, then a sentence, and slowly confidence grows. Daily practice tips. If you want to improve your English faster, follow these simple habits. First, practice speaking every single day. Even 5 minutes helps. Second, talk to yourself. Yes, really. Describe what you are doing. I am drinking tea. I am going to the market. I am watching a video. This simple practice builds confidence. Third, listen to English as much as possible. Podcasts, videos, conversations. The more you listen, the more natural English will feel. And finally, do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are not failures, they are teachers. Final motivation. Now, imagine this. 1 year from today, you are speaking English comfortably. You understand movies. You talk with people from different countries. New opportunities appear. Your confidence grows. And it all started with something small. 1 conversation, 1 practice, 1 decision to start. So,
Start today. Speak simple English. Speak slowly if you must, but speak. Because every word you say brings you closer to fluency. If you enjoyed this lesson and want to improve your English every day, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel for more English speaking practice videos. See you in the next lesson. Rock it!